In other news, monkeypox is spreading at an alarming pace across the world. At least 16,000 cases have been reported in 75 countries. 4 of them are in India. Should you be worried? Experts say not really. Europe, which is the epicenter of this virus right now, is relying on smallpox vaccines to contain the spread. The EU says that these vaccines can help fight monkeypox as well, and reports claim that this development might put India at an advantage. How exactly will this happen? Our next report tells you.
Do you know people who have monkeypox?
75 countries, 16,000 cases, and 5 deaths.
Have we not learned our lessons from
The monkeypox virus is spreading rapidly.
This was that one that I showed you on my arm.
Former patients have chilling stories to tell.
I guess. I don't want anyone to have to go through what I went through.
Vaccines are running out of stock.
As you can see, 9,200 appointments went in about 7 minutes. So demand is significant.
if we all get monkeypox?
There are protests over the failure to contain this outbreak.
Vaccines, more treatment.
And the WHO has declared the monkeypox virus a global health emergency.
For all of these reasons, I have decided that the global monkeypox outbreak represents a public health emergency of international concern.
So what exactly is this virus? Where is it spreading? What are the symptoms? And how effective are the vaccines? Let's take this one at a time. First question, what is this disease? Monkeypox or orthopox virus is a zoonotic viral disease, meaning it is transmitted to humans by animals. Israeli doctors say it could be a new kind of sexually transmitted disease, given how most of the cases are among men who have sex with other men. But medical experts say it's too soon to designate the virus as such. So where did the virus originate? The first cases were reported in the Congo Basin and West Africa. And how does the virus spread? It spreads by contact with an infected person or their bodily fluids like blood and saliva. How long is the incubation period? 6 to 16 days. How long do the symptoms last? Between 2 to 4 weeks. What are the symptoms? Fever, headache, muscle ache, back pain, swollen lymph nodes, chills, and fatigue. Is there a remedy for the monkeypox virus? The answer is no. There isn't a cure yet. Most people recover on their own in a few weeks. But up to 1/10 of the infected people may die, especially children. What about vaccines? In 2019, a vaccine was approved, but it's not widely available. Antiviral agents are also being developed. So where is the virus spreading? Right now, Europe is the epicenter. 25 countries have reported an outbreak. They account for 85% of the global cases. The virus has reached India too. On the 14th of July, the first case was reported. The patient was a 35-year-old man who had just returned from the UAE.
The one case reported yesterday, he came from the UAE, and almost 11 persons who are traveled along with him in the flight has been under surveillance now.
Since then, India's case tally has risen to 4. What is India doing to curb the spread? It is focusing on high-risk groups. The National AIDS Control Organization, or NACO, has been asked to frame guidelines. What about the rest of the world? Well, the EU has approved smallpox vaccines to fight the virus. They say these vaccines can help eradicate monkeypox too, given the close link between the two viruses. According to the CDC, smallpox vaccine is at least 85% effective against monkeypox. That said, this development might put India at advantage, thanks to its experience with smallpox immunization. In 1975, India eradicated smallpox through vaccination. Even today, the vaccine is mandatory for children in India. Now, with the smallpox vaccine being touted as an effective tool for monkeypox too, experts predict that Indians might not be at much risk against this disease, for the simple reason that most of them have already been immunized. Viruses, however, are known to evolve in unpredictable ways, so it's important to not let our guard down. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.